This is monoray laser console, key, emergency switch. Here you have to connect the fiber cable, endoprobe, LIO or slit lamp delivery system. This is for LIO illumination. This is a foot switch, multifunctional foot switch. So you have to fire the laser, press to fire the laser, and this is increment, this is decrement. So doctor can increase or decrease the power using the foot switch. So this is console, foot switch, and this is the back side of the console. Here you have to connect the power cord, then foot switch. Here it is mentioned foot switch, so connect the foot switch cable. No need to connect slit lamp. There is a slit lamp and this is a scanner, so this is port are not active, and you have to connect this power cable to the board, and then you can switch on the machine. Turn the key right side, and first you have to make sure your emergency switch are disabled. So now this is, if it is pressed, the system won't switch on, so you have to rotate and make the free this switch. And also there is one switch is here also, so you have to switch on the switch. This is the power in first, it has to be illuminated, then you can, and if it is this emergency switch is pressed, and if you try to switch on, then here it is mentioned emergency switch. So here is the emergency stop, so this switch is activated, so you need to release the switch, then again it shows please switch off, and again switch on. So system is booting. Showing the temperature check. So this is the first screen after switch on the system, LIO delivery system, slit lamp delivery system, and endoprobe. So if you connect the endoprobe, you have to press this button, and this is the main operation screen. This is connection, protection cap you need to remove. This is a protection cap, always you have to put after use. So this is the aiming beam intensity, you can increase or decrease the aiming beam. Then this is the treat and ready. So ready means you can fire the laser and you can put on a standby. This is a red, means standby. Then you can increase or decrease the power using these two buttons on screen, or you can increase or decrease using this. So increasing like this and decreasing using left. Okay, so start with 100, 110, and there is a duration. You can set the duration, the right it is anything between 100 to 150. This is the Indian standard, and this is the interval. So you can have an interval 100, 150, 200 depending on how fast you want the pulses. And this is repeat, this is single. So if you press the foot switch, then only a single pulse will deliver. So always keep it on repeat. And this is the standby button. So if you press this, whole screen will get freeze, nothing will operate. Again you have to press this button, okay, and then treat, then system is ready. If you press, laser will come, okay, and you can see there is a counter start. So you can note the number of pulses, how many number of pulses you fired during the treatment, and after end of the use you can simply switch off the machine. That's it. Thank you.